Souza. Oh, a chance now to turn defense into attack. Not the best conditions out there, to be honest. He kicks the ball away from danger. Using the width. Surely now. Confident pass. That's nicely played. What an opportunity. Finds his teammate. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Free kick here. That's good link up play. Good clean challenge. Passed well. And now Dybala. Great goal. Well, as you can see, he was a long way out there, but he connected sweetly to put the ball in the back of the net. Good distribution. Confident pass. Just the keeper to beat. Oh, what a great goal. And the referee gets the game going again. Oh, what skill. Passed out wide then. The referee checks his watch. And blows for half-time. They're winning. They'll have to get more goals in this second half. Quality defending there. Aim towards a penalty spot. An outstanding header. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. That's nicely played. They've won it back. Good ball. Intercepted. That's good link-up play. Is this the moment? He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Passed well. They're attacking with the ball now. Finds his teammate.
Toptu aldı. Kapışka. Castells. Aldı Dybala. Dybala Solanke. Solanke. Taylor aldı. Taylor. Denedi Marin. Yok. Taylor hayvanı bastı. Dybala gol.
Just what they needed. A great goal. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Good distribution. Great technical ability. Look at that technique. That's nicely played. He got a good hand behind that. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Excellent defending to block the shot. What a chance! Oh, it's in! That's his second goal. The referee calls time on the match. A great day for one team, but one to forget for the other.
Tağdan yaklaşık Dybala oyuncu golünü bakımda Portekiz'de artık o Taylor 5 koymasını yapıyorum. Şeyimi Solanke attı. Solanke Avas Uç Peredaç asist 6 asist yaptı Dybala. Olsa akıntım bu korkma video yapıldı. Aldı videolar şahane. Saldım.